Hello, good evening, everyone. Uh, let's start the class. Today we will discuss what is factor market and price risk decision of the factor market. In a market or in a industry, one in order to produce goods, and services, factor of production are very much required. Without factor of production, there cannot be the production cannot be possible. uh, Here there are four factors of production are required to produce goods. First one is land, second one is labor, third one is capital, and uh, our entrepreneur. Or entrepreneur or organizer, we can say organizer. The entrepreneur is called organizer in the sense that he or she organizes organizes all the factor of production. Land, labor, and capital are arranged in a ascending or descending order according to the situation in the economy, in the production. They takes land, labor, and capital in order to produce a good. Suppose someone is producing computer. In order to produce computer, the capital is required or machinery is required for this, and the IT professional is required. IT professional are here called laborer, or capital or money required to produce computer is called capital. And land, in order to produce computer, a place is a working place is required, that is called land. Here, uh, these are the three factor, four factor, or the entrepreneur organizes all the factor of production, and it gets profit. Here, first come to the point: land. What is land? Land is a resources, it is a physical and tangible goods. It not just include ground but also the forest resources, water resources, minerals, uh, minerals, and various resources. Not only the land resources. Here, forest resources and mineral resources are also included in this land resources. And land is fixed in supply. Here, land is a factor which is fixed in supply. It is the free gift of nature. And second one is labor. Labor means human capital or skill that worker possess. The laborer means the worker who possess the skill to help in the production process is called laborer. Laborer goes through pain and pleasure and derives directly. He gets wage. He receives pain and pleasure during work time. Suppose a worker is working in the factory area, he is getting pain by doing this work, and for this pain he receive its remuneration, it's called wage. But the owner of land gets rent. That is, the price of land is called rent, and price of laborer is called wages. And there are in economics, there are two types of laborer are there in our economics. There are two types of laborer. First one is white collar laborer, and second one is blue collar laborer. In 1970s, before 1980s, during that time, the worker who were working with the hand or physical labor they are doing is called blue collar laborer. They were wearing blue collar dresses, and on that basis they were acquainted with the factory owner that they are blue collar laborer, or uh, they get wages per day or per week, or on the basis of monthly basis they get wages. They are entitled to get wages. But the white collar laborer, or we in Odia we can say dhoba dhawaliya babu, those who works in the office, or they work manually or in the hand, in the mind, manually or mentally they work. That's why they call manual, sorry, white collar laborer. They wear white color of dresses. uh, in previously, the officer were wearing white color, and on that basis they are entitled to get salary. Here difference is that blue collar laborer work with hand, or whereas with the help of hand, but the white collar laborer work with mentally, or so technically he is or skill is better than blue collar laborer. Okay. Then uh, then next comes here in the labor supply. Supply of labor, it depends upon the size of population, size of working population, or working hour, how many times they are willing to work. It depends upon the laborer. That's why they get wages. And third factor is capital, which is man-made. Here, machinery or money or fund required to produce a goods is called capital. Capital formation is realized through investment, or when we save money, or the household sector or the domestic sector, people save money on from the saving of the people, we get capital, and that capital is mobilized, and further that is mobilized in the sense mobilized through investment, and by investment the production go on, and production is go on by using land and laborer. Here, organizer or entrepreneur, or fourth factor of production is entrepreneur or organizer, who organizes, who take risks, who takes risks, various risks. That's why it gets profit. Okay. uh, then, concept of demand and supply of factor. There are two demands here. We will discuss derived demand, and another one is interdependent demand. Okay, first go through derived demand. What is derived demand? Uh, Derived demand is the demand where to produce a cloth. Suppose we are producing cloth. To produce cloth, we require cotton. Cotton is the raw materials, because to increase the demand of cloth, suppose the demand for cloth increases, the demand for cloth increases. On that basis, the farm who produces cloth through cotton as a raw material will demand more cotton, because the demand for cotton increases because of increasing demand for cloth. Cloth ର ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ଯଦି ବଢିଗଲା, ଲୋକମାନେ ଯଦି କପଡା ବେଶୀ ୟୁଜ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି, ତ ସେଇ କପଡାର ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ ପାଇଁ ଲାଗିବ ଆମର କଟନ। ତ ସେଇ କଟନ ର ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ଟା ବଢିଯିବ। ତ ହିୟର ମାନେ ଆମର ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ କ୍ଲଥ ଟା ଡେରାଇଭ କରୁଛି ଆମର ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ଅଫ କଟନ। କଟନ ର ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବଢିବ, ଆମେ କ୍ଲଥ ର ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ଟା ଯୋଉ ବଢିଲା, ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ ଆମେ ୟୁଜ କରିପାରିବା ହେଲା। and on that basis, the cotton can be produced. Okay. It is called derived demand. I'll show you the figure or graph which I prepare in PPT format. Okay. Sorry, vector markets. Okay, look at this. This is, I will tell you. First, go through the derived demand. derived demand. Sorry, I have forgotten to mention. But okay, just uh, derived demand. I will show you later. It is also like demand curve, general demand curve, which is downward sloping from left to right. Here, price is taken in the y-axis, and in the x-axis quantity of cloth. There are two figures. One figure quantity of cotton is taken and price of cotton is taken, whereas the another figure the side of this figure quantity of cotton is taken in the x-axis and price of cotton in the y-axis. That is the derived demand. Here both the demand curve are downward sloping, that is from left to right. Now come to the another demand, interdependent demand. Production can look at the interdependent demand. Production cannot take place using a single factor of production. It cannot be, that means production can be possible with the help of factor of production, not a single factor. Only a single factor cannot produce goods. So in order to produce goods, so many factors are required. It can be possible with the interaction of different factor of production, that is land, labor, capital, and entrepreneur. Or entrepreneur or organizer will decide that suppose a producer wants to produce jewelry. For to produce jewelry, it requires designer or the professional worker, that are called work laborer. And working place where the jewelry is produced is called land resources, where it has to pay rent to the landowner. And to produce jewelry or various equipments is required, like molding and heating metals. We require some machinery, that is called capital. That means land, labor, and capital both are three are interdependent to each other. Without land, without labor, and without capital, we cannot produce a goods. Okay, that is called interdependent demand. Demand is when the demand for jewelry increases, the producer want to produce that good jewelry much more, so that it uses land resources, laborer, and capital in an efficient manner, so that it can produce jewelry in a smooth manner. Okay, that is called interdependent demand, because demand for land, labor, capital is mutually responsible for mutually responsible to produce the goods. Okay, uh, then come to the okay, next okay, next, marginal physical product and value, concept of marginal physical product, value of marginal product, and marginal revenue product. Okay, the marginal physical product, you know already that marginal product is also otherwise called as marginal physical product. Okay, then what is MPP, or marginal physical product? Marginal physical product of a factor of production is like labor. For the product of productivity of labor is measured in marginal productivity. Okay, here MPP is the additional output produced when an extra unit of factor of production is added. When a extra unit of factor of production is added, we will get some output, and by using that factor we are getting some additional output, that is called marginal physical product. Okay, marginal physical product can be also derived through total physical product. It is change in total product divided by change in number of unit of factor of production. It is MPP. And let's come to the concept VMP, or value of marginal physical value of marginal product, or that is called VMPP also, value of marginal physical product. Here the price of output is multiplied with marginal physical product or the price of output into MPP. Yeah, and marginal revenue product is a concept. Is the additional revenue due to hiring of an additional of worker. Additional of worker when a industrialist uses a additional worker, it gets revenue from that. That is called marginal revenue product. Okay, marginal revenue product is also it can be also written as changes in total revenue divided by a change in number of units of a factor of production. Okay, or it can be MRP is equal to also otherwise attained by marginal revenue into MPP. Okay, MRP is equal to marginal revenue into marginal physical product. Last time I here okay, I'll show you through PPT here. Perfect competition is there. Already we have already discussed the marginal physical the perfect competition, and here in perfect competition what happened, average revenue, marginal revenue, everything is average revenue, marginal revenue, and price are equal are equal. Look at this. Uh, okay, this is here bread manufacture with factor of production in perfect competition. In perfect competition, bread is manufactured with the help of land, labor, and capital. The entrepreneur uses the three factor and making production here. When it uses first unit of labor, here market price is 10. The unit of price of the product of a single unit is 10 rupees is fixed, but after production it will have it has some it has uh, uh, when it uses labor one by one, it gets marginal product increases. Okay, and total product also increases, but marginal product declines because the productivity of the labor declines with doing work. Okay, like in the law of diminishing marginal utility, what happens when we use just one by one goods? Suppose we are consuming rasagola. ମାନେ ମାନ୍ୟ ଯେ ତୁମେ ସବୁ ରସଗୋଲା ଖାଉଛ ୱାନ୍ ବାଇ ୱାନ୍, ତ ମାର୍ଜିନାଲ ୟୁଟିଲିଟି କ'ଣ ହୁଏ, ଧୀରେ 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 କମି କମିଯାଏ। ସେମିତି in case of production also, what happens, the marginal productivity also, productivity of the factor declines continuously. Okay, here a total product increases at a diminishing, first of increasing rate, then diminishing rate, then declines. Okay, look at this. Total when unit of labor is 1, the total product is 20, whereas marginal product is 20, marginal physical product or market price is 10, that is constant for all time. And here average market price is equal with marginal revenue. And look at this MRP. I told you that MRP is attained through marginal revenue into marginal product. Here marginal product is when first unit of labor is used, first 20 is MPP is 20. Here MR is 10, but 20 into 10 is equal to MRP is 200. And value of marginal product is when value of when value of marginal product is equal to price of output into marginal physical product. Here price of output is 10 rupees. Okay, price of output is 10 rupees, and MPP is 20. Here also value of marginal product is 200. Okay, this is the table of perfect competition. But here as you know, in perfect competition average revenue is equal with marginal revenue, so that here marginal revenue is equal with price, or average revenue is okay. Then look at this figure. MR the relationship, the number of units of worker with value with MRP. Okay, marginal revenue product, here it is downward sloping. Look at this figure. It is downward sloping from left to right. When number of units of worker increases, Okay, this is an imaginary table or imaginary graph where one by one worker increases, then come to the land market. Okay, then come to the land market. Here, land market where supply of land is fixed. Supply of land is fixed. Quantity of land which are available in the world is fixed. माने वर्ल्ड रे हमर सप्लाई ऑफ लैंड ता फिक्स्ड है, हमें बढ़ई परिबानी हला. तो सप्लाई ऑफ लैंड इज हियर वर्टिकल इन नेचर, वर्टिकल टू द y एक्सिस. हियर इट इज फिक्स्ड व्हाट एवर मे बी रेंट. तुमको जिते रेंट भी मिलू तुम कौन कर सप्लाईटा फिक्स्ड है, सेटा बढ़ा जाई परिबनी हला. तुम घर मान तुम घर घर जहाँ जगह अच्छी सेटा गोटे फिक्स्ड जगह ना, ताकू आ बढ़ाई परिबनी. लैंड मार्केट सेटा हला हमर सप्लाई ऑफ लैंड इज फिक्स्ड और इट इज वर्टिकल टू द y एक्सिस. नेक्स्ट come to the capital market. Sorry, labor market. I forgot to tell you labor market. First come to the labor market. Labor market is the labor supply of labor depends upon the size of population, the working hours and working population. How many population? Suppose we have in India 135 crore people are there, but all are not laborer. Some are in the some are working in the home and they are not called laborer, because in economics those who gets wages or in return when they work something and they get salary or something in return are called laborer. But in economic sense, that is those who gets money for their work are called laborer, otherwise they are not laborer. We can say the domestic housewife, those who are working in the those lady who are working in home as a in the kitchen room, they are not as laborer in economics. So here the 135 crore people of India does not work, only some portion of the work. Suppose let's take 50% worker work in various fields like agriculture, industry and mines, or in service sector, or in various bank, education institution, or various places they working. That is half of 135 crore is 65 and 67.5 crore. Out of that, you have to deduct the children who are studying in the class also, you have to deduct. That's why let's take 50 crore as a worker. Okay, total workers are total laborer are 50 crores. Out of that 50 crores, 50 crores, some of the people want to do work, or some are not interested to work, because as we know the government policy of providing public distribution system. Through public distribution system, the people are getting rice and various things, and with cheaper price. That's why some are not interested to work. Okay, let's take 50 out of 50 crore, 40 crore are working. 40 crore here are the supply of laborer. And so when this wage rate is decided, wage rate is decided on the basis of demand for labor and supply of labor. Suppose an industry is there, the industrialist wants to use 20 crore of laborer, and the supply is 40 crore. Here what happens? Due to higher wages, higher supply of labor, the wage rate declines. When demand is more and supply is less, wage rate is higher. And so those the people who, when wage rate increases, the supply of labor increases. There is a direct relationship between wage rate and supply of labor. माने लोक मैंने जो वेज रेट बढ़ी बढ़ी जीव से कम करने बेसी आग्रही हे जदियो 40 करोड़ अच्छा 50 करोड़ मुझे कहली तो 40 करोड़ लोक कम कर भितर कौन कर वेज रेट धर 200 टंका आसी दिन को तो सहीटा बढ़ीगला 400 टंका को तो लोक मैंने कौन करेंगे से जो 200 माने 40 करोड़ काम करुले मे बी से आउ 10 करोड़ अधिका इंटरेस्टेड हे कहीं ना वेज रेटा बढ़ी जाइए 200 रु 400 को डबल हो तो मे बी माने लोक मैंने सप्लाई भी बढ़े देवे तो वेज रेट सांगे आमर लेबर सप्लाईटा डायरेक्ट related or it is upward sloping. When wage rate increases, supply of labor increases. When wage rate declines, supply of labor declines. आउ जदि वेज रेट कम दिया जिवो तो से माने डेफिनेटली कम काम करबा पे इंटरेस्टेड हेबे नहीं तो नेक्स्ट कम टू द डिमांड फॉर लेबर. Demand for labor that depends upon various industrialist various agricultural sector, how many how much labor that they require, that depends upon wage rate. Suppose demand increases, then wage rate the industrialist will demand labor more labor when wage rate is low. That means there is an inverse relationship between demand for laborer and wage rate. When wage rate increases, they demand low laborer, whereas when wage rate increases, they demand low laborer, and when wage rate falls, they demand more laborer. Is the labor market. Okay, I will tell you after that. Here I am just showing the supply of labor. uh, Supply of labor, I will tell you the equilibrium condition of market later. Okay, then come to the capital market. Okay, capital market here. In the x-axis we have taken total capital, and in the y-axis we have taken interest, because as we bring some loan from bank, we have to pay some interest for this. Suppose you want 1000 money from the bank. Okay, 1000 money. For this you have to pay interest rate for the 1000 rupees. Suppose the interest rate is 5%. Here 5% means in 100 rupees there is 5 rupees is interest, and in 1000 50 rupees is your 50% interest. Here you have to pay 50 rupees as interest, because you are borrowing money. Okay, the supply of capital is upward sloping. When interest rate increases, supply of capital or the money to borrow to the borrower increases, because bank when interest rate increases, it is the profit of the bank that interest has risen. That's why it will increase the loan amount, and it will provide more loan when interest rate is high. Okay, then come to the then come to the equilibrium point. Or okay, the supply curve of labor was that was the short run, but here in the backward bending in the long run, the supply curve is backward bending. Backward bending means when wage rate increases. Look at this figure. When wage rate increases, the supply of labor increases in some amount, but after increases more wages, the worker do not want to work, because ମାନେ ମାନ୍ୟ ତମକୁ କାମ ଦିଆ ହେଲା, ତମେ 100 ଟଙ୍କା ପାଉଥିଲ, ତମର ମାନେ 10 ଲୋକ କାମ କରୁଥିଲେ, 200 ଟଙ୍କା ଦିଆ ହେଲା, ତମେ 20 ଲୋକ କାମ କରିବ। ଯେତେବେଳେ 300 ଟଙ୍କା ଦିଆଯିବ, ତମେ କଣ କରିବ, ଅଧିକ ପଇସା ପାଇଗଲ ଯଦି, ତ ତମେ କଣ କରିବ, ବସିଯିବ, ଲିଜର ପ୍ରିଫର କରିବ। ମାନେ ଲୋକମାନେ ମାନେ ଘରେ ରହିକିନା ଆରାମସେ ରେଷ୍ଟ ନେବେ, କାହିଁକିନା ଅଧିକା ପଇସା ପାଇଯାଇଛି। ତ ଯଦି କିଏ ବେଶୀ ମାନେ କାମ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବ, ତ ସେ କଣ କରିବ, ସେ ବେଶୀ କାମ ମାନେ ଲିଜର ପ୍ରିଫର କରିବ, ମାନେ ବେଶୀ କାମ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହିଁବନି, ଯାହା ଦ୍ୱାରା କି ସେ ସପ୍ଲାଏ ଅଫ ଲେବରଟା କମିଯିବ। ଦେଖ ଏଇଟା ବ୍ୟାକୱାର୍ଡ ବେଣ୍ଡିଂ କର। Okay, next come to the equilibrium in the land market. Land market, we have a separate topic also. I'll just showing some just tidbits. I am showing this. Here the demand curve is downward sloping, and supply curve, already I told you that it is vertical to y axis, and it is fixed. Whatever may be rent, the supply of land is fixed, but changes in demand leads to changes in rent. it will I will discuss this in tomorrow class. Okay. Next, come to the okay, equilibrium in the labor market. In labor market, what happens when demand for, already I told you that wage rate, through wage rate, the demand for labor and supply of labor are determined. Okay, when supply of labor increases, I told you that there is a direct relationship between wage and supply of labor, and there is an inverse relationship between demand for labor and wage rate. On that basis, equilibrium wage rate is determined at OW, and at and quantity, equilibrium quantity of labor and demand for labor and supply is equalized at point E. Here both demand and supply match, because at this wage rate both demand is equal with supply of labor. Okay, that's why equilibrium wage rate is determined. Okay. Next, come to this. Okay, there are in capital market. In capital market, various theories are there. Capital market, here the capitalist or the banker provide loan, and in return they get interest. In return they get interest. There are three theory are there in your course. First one is the loanable fund theory. First one, loanable fund theory. Loanable fund theory relies on demand for borrowing and supply of funds to determine the rate at which transaction will take place. Here what happen? The supply of supply of capital and demand for capital. Supply of capital depends upon the willing to save. लोक माने जदि अधिका सेव करिवे माने संचय करिवे, लोक माने बैंक रे अधिका जदि रखिबे, कोन हबो सेही मनीटा कोन कहबो आमे जते बेसी आमे लोक माने सेव करिवा, सेते बेसी तार कैपिटल मोबिलाइज करि परिबो, से अन्य लोक मान को से लोन आकार दे परिबो. तो लोक माने जते विलिंग टू सेव, लोकक पाखरे सेति मै द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज sorry, I forgot the Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, where larger account has been created so that everybody can save their money, and on that basis, when they save money, the capital will increase, and the that capital will be mobilized through providing loan to the needy borrower, or providing loan to the industrialist, or various farm, or various farmer, or that's why they can get money, and in return they can provide interest. Okay, the supply of loanable fund theory. The loanable fund theory of interest depends upon supply of labor as well as demand for laborer. Supply of labor, first one I told you that there those people who when more people save their money, then they will get interest, because interest rate increases, the motive of the people is to get more interest. That's why they save more money. When saving rate interest increases, they save more money, and in where the bank provide loan, it has to get interest as return. Okay. Then come to the okay, next come to the next point, the demand for loanable fund, or the demand for capital increases when the investor invest more, invest. Suppose an industry want to produce more product, that's why he increases in investment. To increase investment, it has to borrow more money, because it has no money, so it will borrow money from the bank, so that it will utilize that money or that capital and or invest in the various products. That's why they can increase its production, and also it can get profit, or in return they get profit. Okay, here the demand for loanable fund depends upon investment demand or consumption demand. सपोज लोक मैंने बेसी माने कंजम्पशन कले इन्वेस्टमेंट बेसी कले तो जहाँ द्वारा कौन हम प्रोडक्शन टा कमी जीवो इन्वेस्टमेंट भी कमी जीवो कहीं लोक मैंने बेसी कौन कले कंज्यूम कले सेविंग बेसी कले तो से गोटे प्रॉब्लम ही पारे लूपहोल्स और द लीकेजेस ऑफ द theory we can say leakages or when consumption increases what happens the money which they want to save are diverted to to consume goods and services. Okay, this is the loanable funds theory. Next come to the next slide. Okay, next theories of interest. Next theory is uh, liquidity preference theory. In case of liquidity preference theory, loanable fund theory, which was classical theory. The classical economists defined the loanable fund theory, but liquidity preference theory was defined by John Maynard Keynes. Or the we can say when in 1936 1936 the Great Depression happened. The Great Depression means the price of goods fall, the goods available in the market declines, so that there is decline in the or there is harassment in the mind of the investor. That's why the investment in declines, everything declines, employment declines. On that time, John Maynard Keynes came into existence and supported his theory to uh, to sort out the Great Depression. He started his theory by criticizing the classical theory, and classical theory was based on then transaction motive. Money is based on or money. Though people demand money because they want to make expenditure in various goods and services. That means that is based on transaction motive. There are two motives. The classical economists were saying that only due to transaction motive people demand money, but in neoclassical economists they added another one is they added another one precautionary motive. The human being save money or keeps their money in hand and doesn't keep it in bank because in future there may be some problem or precaution, that is called precautionary motive. To make himself or herself cautious, it keeps their money in their hand or in hundi or you can say kupi. କୁପିରେ ଆମର ପଇସା ଯୋଉ ରଖୁଥିଲେ ଲୋକମାନେ କଣ କରୁଥିଲେ ଗାତ ଖୋଲିକିନା ପଇସା ରଖି ଦଉଥିଲେ ତ ସେଇଟା ଆମର କୁହାଯାଇଥିଲା ପ୍ରିକସନରୀ ମୋଟିଭ ମାନେ ଆମେ ଫ୍ୟୁଚରରେ ଯଦିଓ କାହାର ମାନେ ହେଲ୍ଥ ବିଗିଡି ବି ପାରେ ଭେରିୟସ୍ ସିଚୁଏସନ ହେଇପାରେ ତ ସେଇ ଟାଇମ ପାଇଁ ସେ ଯୋଉ ରଖି ମାନେ ଷ୍ଟୋର କରିକିନା ରଖିଲା ସେଟା ପ୍ରିକସନରୀ ମୋଟିଭ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ ବେସ୍ଡ ଅନ୍ ହ୍ୱେନ୍ ଦି ଏଇ ଜାଗାରେ କଣ ହୁଏ ଆମେ ट्रांजैक्शन मोटिव और प्रिकॉशनरी मोटिव दीटा जाक रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट संगे इन्वॉल्व नुहंती माने it is irresponsive to the rate of interest. When rate of interest increases they will not look out into interest rate. They have to maintain their life so that they keep their money and they do not save because here interest rate is irresponsible. माने interest rate बढ़िले कमिले ये यार ट्रांजैक्शन मोटिव और प्रिकॉशनरी मोटिव किछि काम ना हला तापरे एटा कैंस नेक्स्ट नुआ मोटिव टे ऐड करले स्पेकुलेटिव मोटिव माने कोन हमर बॉन्ड प्राइस हला डिबेंचर हला दीज आर द इन्वेस्टमेंट वेरियस इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट. सपोज बॉन्ड प्राइस डिक्लाइन्स हियर द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट व्हाट हैपन इंक्रीजेस. सपोज गोटे बॉन्ड बिक्री करछि गवर्नमेंट 1000 टंकार बॉन्ड बिक्री करछि 5% इंटरेस्ट रखिछि हला तो 5% इंटरेस्ट रे हमर 1000 बॉन्ड किनिबा वाला हमें 50 टंका मिलबो. ओके we'll get 50 rupees as our income because we were investing in the bond as 1000 and we are getting 50 rupees. When the bond price declines, जदि bond price टा 1000 टंका जो थिला सेटा कमी गला केते कमिया जदिला रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट टा बढ़ी जीवो. रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट हमको 5% मिलुची 50 टंका माने 1000 रे तो हमरो इंटरेस्ट रेट टा 6% हे गला. 6% हे गला माने हमें से 50 टंका इनकम करिबा पे से 6% हमें 50 टंका इनकम करिबा पे हमरो से बॉन्ड प्राइस टा कमी जीवो 960 को कमी जीवो हला. So there is a inverse relationship between bond price and rate of interest. It is called speculative motive. The people demand money to save to invest in various bonds. That is called speculative motive. Okay. Here what happen in a economy, the supply of money is fixed. आम इकोनॉमी रे जहाँ भी माने मनी अच्छी सप्लाई टा आम कौन करबा माने फिक्स्ड रखिबा दैट इज vertical to the y axis. It is also vertical curve, and sometimes we can sometimes the government can increase its supply of money. The bank can also sometimes increase by printing money, but it is some extent. It cannot increase in monopoly way. It can increase money by printing currency, but in a small amount. That's why the Q1 is the first supply of money curve, which is vertical, but in a some extent we can increase our supply of money from Q1 to Q2. After that, we cannot increase our supply of money, or here with the demand for money. By equalizing demand for money and supply of money, here S1 is the equilibrium point at Q1 supply line. Okay, then come to the point S2, or sorry, S2 नहीं, R2 लिखा है R2. At R2 rate of interest, in the y-axis we have taken interest rate, and in the x-axis we have taken quantity of money, and here supply of money is fixed at Q2 and R2. It is the rate of interest. It is also called liquidity preference, demand for money. Or here here what happens, at the interest rate declines in such a way that the people are not interested to save money in the bank. Okay, this is called liquidity preference theory. And another one is the time preference theory, time preference approach. Irving Fisher, economist Irving Fisher, developed this approach. His idea was based on that consumer tries to compare present consumption and future consumption. Here in the time preference approach, what happens? The consumer compare both present consumption as well as future consumption, and on that basis he will decide he will save money, or he will consume by purchasing various goods. The rate at which future consumption can substitute for present consumption will be marginal rate of substitution between present and future consumption. This is called the rate of time preference. Okay, it can substitute present consumption. Suppose there are present consumption and future consumption, two concepts are there. Suppose now you want to consume more. Here what happen, at the present time you will invest your money in various goods and services or various foods item. Here what happen, you have low money in hand, or you have low money which you can save, because जहाँ किसी भी तुम पाखे मन नहीं, तुम कौन कल सब सेव करदेल, सॉरी कंज्यूम करदेल, जहाद्वारा तुम सेविंग करने तुम पाखे पैसा बहुत कम बचिला. तो यहाँ है आमर आम जदि प्रेजेंट कंजम्पशन को बेसी इंपोर्टेंस देवा है, जदि फ्यूचर कंजम्पशन को आम जदि फ्यूचर कंजम्पशन को बेसी इंपोर्टेंस देवा, आम कौन करबा एबे बेसी सेविंग करबा और फ्यूचर रे बेसी कंज्यूम करबा. तो एबे सपोज in August we can store our money, and we can that money we can use in September month, or okay, that is called future consumption are given importance. Here what happen, we postpone our consumption for the present and save more money for the future consumption. Okay, that next concept is called profit. Okay, let's stop presenting. Okay, look at this next concept, which profit. What happened in case of profit? Okay, profit, the entrepreneur or organizer organize all the land, labor, capital, and he gets in return, it's called profit. The reward of organizer or entrepreneur is called profit. He organizes or manages the business. That's why he gets profit. Okay. He takes various risks. So suppose you are investing in a farm, and here uncertainty is there, that you will get your return, or you will get return, or there is ups and down in the business, so that you can get profit sometimes, or sometimes you will get loss. Already I told you that in perfect competition, or in monopolistic competition, or monopolistic competition, there are three types of profit are there: super normal profit, normal profit, and subnormal profit, or otherwise called as subnormal profit. Profit is otherwise called as loss. Okay. The supernormal profit, you know already, that total revenue, in case of supernormal profit, total revenue is greater than total cost. Here what happens, the businessman gets profit because of, because doing investment, or by taking risk. He is taking, or he or she is taking risk. That's why he is getting profit in return. Okay. And the normal profit, total revenue is equal with total cost. Here what happens, the farm gets profit, but that is normal profit. That is to maintain business. Someone here what happens, in normal profit, this businessman are not getting profit and not getting loss. That's why he will maintain his business. That is called normal profit. Okay, next is loss, or the subnormal profit. Subnormal profit, when there is total, here what happens, total cost is more than or greater than total revenue. Here what happens, the businessman will get loss. Okay. uh, the businessman, suppose example ଟେ ନିଆଯାଇପାରେ, ଆମର ଜଣେ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଫାର୍ମ କରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛି। ଓକେ, ତ ସେ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଫାର୍ମ ଯୋଉ କଲା, ତ ସେ ପ୍ରଥମେ ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟ କରିବ, ଧରିଦିଅ 1 ଲକ୍ଷ or 1 ଲାખ ସେ ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟ କଲା, ଯାହା ଦ୍ୱାରା ସେ କ'ଣ କରିବ, ପ୍ରଥମେ ସେ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ମାନେ ଫାର୍ମ ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ସେ ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟ କରିବା, ଗୋଟେ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ଦରକାର। ତାପରେ ସେ ଯୋଉ ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ, ଯୋଉ ଜାଗାରେ, ସେ ଜାଗା ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡରେ, ସେ ଜାଗାରେ ସେ ଘର ବନେଇବ। ଘର ବନେଇକିନା, ଘର ବନେଇବ ଯେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ କରିବ, ସେ ଲେବର ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବ। ଓକେ, ଲେବର ୟୁଜ୍ କରିକିନା କ'ଣ କରିବ, ସେ ଆଉ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ବି ୟୁଜ୍, ମନି ବି ଦରକାର। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ସିମେଣ୍ଟ କିଣିବ, ଇଟା କିଣିବ, ବିଭିନ୍ନ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଜିନିଷ କିଣିବ। ତ ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ କ'ଣ କରିବ, ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା, ତିନି ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ା, ଲ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ, ଲେବର, କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ, ତିନିଟା ନେସେସରି ଜିନିଷ, ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ୟୁଜ୍ କରିବ। ଓକେ, ତ ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ ତାର କଷ୍ଟ ବି ବଢିଲା। ତ ସେ ଗୋଟେ ମାନେ ଫ୍ୟୁଚରରେ ଭଲ ଲାଭ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଏବେ ଭାବିଛି, ମେ ବି ସେତେବେଳେ ବିଜନେସ୍ ବନ୍ଦ ବି ହେଇ, ମାନେ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଗୁଡ଼ା ଧରିଦିଅ ମରିଗଲେ, ମାନେ ତମେ ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟ କରିଦେଇଛ 1 ଲକ୍ଷ ଟଙ୍କା, ଆଉ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଜିନିଷ ମାନେ କିଣିକିନା, ଆଉ ସେ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଗୁଡ଼ା ମରିଗଲେ। ତ ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ କ'ଣ ହବ, ସେଇଟା ତାର ଲସ୍ ହେଇଯିବ। ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ କଥା ବି ହେଇପାରେ, ପ୍ରାଇସଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ କିଣିଥିଲା, ଧରିଦିଅ 100 ଟଙ୍କା କିଲୋରେ କିଣିଥିଲା। ଓକେ, ତ ଲାଷ୍ଟ ଟାଇମ୍ ବି କ'ଣ ହେଇଥିଲା, ଆମର କୋରୋନା ପାଇଁ ଯୋଉ ମଝିରେ ଗୋଟେ ଗୁଜବ ଉଠିଥିଲା ଯେ ଯେତେବେଳେ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଖାଇଲେ ଆମର କରୋନା ହବ, ସେଥିପାଇଁ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଖାଉନି। ତ ସେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଥିଲା, ପ୍ରାଇସଟା କମି ଯାଇଥିଲା। ସେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ ହେଲା, ସେମାନେ ଲସ୍ରେ ରହିଥିଲେ। ତ ଏବେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି, ସେଇ ରେଟ୍ଟା ଲୋକମାନେ ଭଲସେ ପନିପରିବା ଖାଇବାକୁ ମାନେ ପାଉନାହାନ୍ତି। କାହିଁକି ନା ସେ ବଜାର ଗୁଡ଼ା ବନ୍ଦ ହେଇଛି, ମାନେ ସୋସିଆଲ ଡିଷ୍ଟାନ୍ସିଂ, ବିଭିନ୍ନ ଜିନିଷ ଗୁଡ଼ା ମାନୁଛନ୍ତି। ସେଇଥିପାଇଁ ଗାଁ ମାନଙ୍କୁ ବଜାର ବସୁନି। ତ ସେ କ'ଣ ହଉଛି, ବଜାର ବସୁନି, ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା କି ଲୋକମାନେ ଚିକେନ, ଏମିତି ଜିନିଷ, ଯୋଉ ଜିନିଷଟା ଚିକେନଟା ବେଶୀ କିଣୁଛନ୍ତି, ବ୍ରଏଲର ଯୋଉଟା, ତ ରେଟ୍ଟା ସେଇଟା ଯେତେବେଳେ 100 ଟଙ୍କା ଭିତରକୁ ପଳେଇଥିଲା, ସେତେବେଳେ ଯଦି ଲୋକ ମାନେ କିଣି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ ରଖି ଦେଇଛନ୍ତି ଷ୍ଟୋର କରିକିନା, ତ ଏବେ ସେମାନେ ଲାଭରେ ରହିବେ। କାହିଁକିନା ପଇସାଟା ସେ ଡବଲ ରେ ହେଇଗଲାଣି, ଏବେ 200 ଟଙ୍କାରେ ଅଛି। ତ ସେଇଟା ଆମର ରିସ୍କ ଇଜ ଦେୟାର ଇନ୍ ବିଜନେସ। ହ୍ୱାଟ ହାପେନ୍, there is ups and downs in the economic situation, that is there are risk or uncertainty is there। ଅନିଶ୍ଚିତତା ମାନେ ଲାଇଫଟା ଅନସର୍ଟେନିଟି ରେ ଭର୍ତ୍ତି ଅଛି, ସେମିତି ବିଜନେସଟା ବି ଅନସର୍ଟେନିଟି ରେ ମାନେ ଅଛି। ଏବେ ଦେଖ, ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଏବେ ତମମାନଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗେ ବଢିଆ ଭଲସେ କଥାବାର୍ତ୍ତା ହଉଛି। ଏବେ କ'ଣ ହେଇଯିବ, ଯଦି କରୋନା ହେଇଗଲା, କରୋନାରୁ ମରି ଯିବେ ଲୋକ ଗୁଡ଼ା। ତ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା, ଫ୍ୟୁଚର ଇଜ ଅନସର୍ଟେନ୍। ତ ଫ୍ୟୁଚର କିଏ ଦେଖିଛି, ତ ସେଇଟା ଅନସର୍ଟେନିଟି ଇଜ ଦେୟାର, that is also exist in the business। That's why J.M. Keynes, I told you that liquidity preference theory, which was propounded by J.M. Keynes, he has propounded his theory that is based on short run analysis। That means ମଣିଷ ବଞ୍ଚିବ ବହୁତ କମ ସମୟ ପାଇଁ, ମାନେ ସେ ଫ୍ୟୁଚର କୁ ବହୁତ ଭାବିବନି ହେଲା। ସେ ଜିନିଷଟା ବେଷ୍ଟ କରିଛି ଆମର, କିନ୍ତୁ ବିଜନେସ ରେ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ଚଳିବନି। ସେଠି ବିଜନେସ ରେ ବି ଲାଇଫ ଯେମିତି ଅନସର୍ଟେନିଟି, ବିଜନେସ ବି ସେମିତି ଅନସର୍ଟେନିଟି ହେଲା। So here what happen, uncertainty and profit market structure are there. Here কোন মানে আমার অর্গানাইজার আর অর্গানাইজেশন কোন করে রুটিন ডে টু ডে অ্যাক্টিভিটিজ মানে বিজনেস অর্গানাইজেশন রে সে ম্যানেজ করে, সে যদি ভালো সে ম্যানেজ করি পারিব, কষ্ট যদি মিনিমাইজ করি পারলা, মানে সে প্রফিট বেশি মিলিব। মই অলরেডি কইছি কি সুপার নর্মাল প্রফিট মিলিব যদি কষ্ট মিনিমাইজ করি পারলা। আর if we will take a example of a market condition, when marginal revenue is equal with marginal cost and marginal cost cut marginal revenue, then that is the condition where the firm will get super normal profit. Okay, that is the when the management or the scale of economies of scale are optimally utilized, when resources are optimally utilized, and the management of laborer are efficiently used, then what happen, the firm will get profit. Okay, here in economics, there are theories, there are various theory of profits theory. First one is Joseph Schumpeter has propounded the theory, the innovation theory is that something creating something new, মানে नुआ प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च करिवा सेटा हला इनोवेशन, माने नुआ आइडिया रे प्रॉफिट एज रिवार्ड फॉर इनोवेशन। दी माने दी बिजनेसमैन विल गेट प्रॉफिट एज रिवार्ड फॉर इट innovative work. The businessman uses his innovative idea and produces goods. The innovation can be of various types. Innovation that can be, we can launch as introduction of new product. Suppose new product, we launch new product. Suppose here new product is launched, that is called innovative idea. Okay, then second one is what is innovation. I am telling you the definition of innovation. Introduction of new method of production. Suppose you are producing a goods, but in a old method you were producing before. Now you innovate a new idea, and by using that idea you are preparing your goods in a new methodology. That is called innovation. That is also called innovation. You can say innovation. First, if we launch a new product, and second one is new method of production we use, and discovery of new raw materials. Suppose the product is launched, and that product, the launch product can be produced by using other raw materials. Suppose ଏବେ ଏବେ ମଝିରେ ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ଯୋଉ କହୁଛି କି ପେଟ୍ରୋଲ ଡିଜେଲ ର ରେଟ୍ ବଢି ଯାଉଛି, ମାନେ ପେଟ୍ରୋଲ ଡିଜେଲ ର ଷ୍ଟକ୍ ବି କମି ଯାଉଛି, ତ ଏବେ କଣ କରୁଛି ଗଭର୍ଣ୍ଣମେଣ୍ଟ ସୋଲାର ଉପରେ ବେଶୀ ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦଉଛି। ସୋଲାର ବାଇକ୍, ସୋଲାର कार प्रोडक्शन करने बेसी सब्सिडी दौची। तो सहीटा कौन कौन कह सेटा गोटे नुआ इनोवेटिव आइडिया। तो सहीटा भी आम नुआ न्यू र मटेरियल्स यूज होगा। से फ्यूएल जो आम पेट्रोल यूज करला एबे कौन करवा सोलार यूज करवा, सोलार एनर्जी यूज करकिना आम हमर प्रोडक्टटा इनोवेटिव आइडिया द्वारा आम प्रोडक्टटा लॉन्च करि परिबो हला। सेटा न्यू ऑटोमोबाइल लॉन्च हिबो, पेट्रोल डीजल रे चलतला एबे कौन करवा सेटा सोलार बैटरी रे चलिबो। ओके, देन discovery of new market means suppose ଆମର ମାର୍କେଟ ଯୋଉ ଅଛି, ଯଦି ମୁଁ ମାନେ ଭୁବନେଶ୍ୱରରେ ସେଇ ଜିନିଷଟା ମିଳିଛି, ନୂଆ ମାର୍କେଟଟେ ଆମେ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କଲା, ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗାରେ ଅନଲାଇନ ସୋର୍ସ ଗୋଟେ ୱେବସାଇଟ କ୍ରିଏଟ୍ କଲା, ଆଉ ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ ଆମର ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ଗୁଡା ବିକିଲା ହେଲା, ଲଞ୍ଚ କଲା। ତ ସେଇ ଜାଗାରେ ହେଲା discovery of new market, that is called discovery of new market ଆମେ ଲଞ୍ଚ କଲା। ଯେମିତି ଫ୍ଲିପକାର୍ଟ ଅଛି, ଆମାଜନ ଅଛି, ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ସାଇଟଟେ ଖୋଲିଲା। ଏମିତି ଆଗରୁ ଯୋଉ ଟିକଟକଟା ଚାଲିଥିଲା, ଟିକଟକ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ଥିଲା। ତ ଏବେ ଆମ ସ୍ୱଦେଶୀ ଜ୍ଞାନ କୌଶଳରେ ଏବେ କଣ ଚିଙ୍ଗାରି ବୋଲିକିନା ଆପ୍ଟେ ଲାଗୁ ହେଇଛି। ତ ସେଇ ଆପ୍ଟା ନୂଆ ଆଇଡିଆରେ ସେଇଟା ବାହାରିଲା ହେଲା। ତ ସେଇଟା ତାପରେ ଇଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଡକ୍ସନ ଅଫ ନ୍ୟୁ ଫର୍ମ ଅଫ organization में भी वेरियस लेबरर लैंड एटाକୁ ऑर्गेनाइज जो करे सेटा हला ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। फॉर्म्स ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हमें जदियो गोटे काम माने प्रोडक्शन करला बेला कोन होतला कि हमर ऑर्गेनाइज हमें लेबर बेसी यूज करतला, कैपिटल कम यूज करतला। हमें कोन करिबा कैपिटल कम माने बेसी करकिना लेबर भी कम करकिना यूज करि परिबा। टेक्नोलॉजी कैन बी चेंज, देयर मे बी लेबर इंटेंसिव टेक्नोलॉजी, and there are two technology, you know, labor intensive technology and capital intensive technology. तो लेबर इंटेंसिव टेक्नोलॉजी कौन हुए, हमें लेबर बेसी यूज करू, किंतु कैपिटल इंटेंसिव टेक्निक रे कौन हुए कैपिटलटा बेसी यूज हुए तो आम जदि जो प्रोडक्टा एबे चलुची सेटा लेबर इंटेंसिव टेक्नोलॉजी बेसी लेबर यूज करकिना कैपिटल कम यूज करकिना आम चलुचु तो ସେଇଟା ଆମେ ଯଦି ବଦଲେଇ ଦେବା ଲେବର କମ କରିବା କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ବେଶୀ ୟୁଜ କରିବା ତ ସେଇଟା ବି ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ଇନୋଭେସନ କୁହାଯାଇ ପାରିବ ହେଲା ତ ଯୋଜେଫ ସମ୍ପିଟର JOSEPH ସମ୍ପିଟର is the economist who who is of the opinion that who innovates is able to earn more profit. Those producer or those farm who innovate or launches new product in various innovative idea will get definitely will get profit. Okay, he but what happen in market, suppose you launch a new product, this another firm or another new industry grow up and they follow your ideology and follow your methodology and they produce. What happen, your profit decline. Sure, what happen, the profit of the second firm may be increase. Okay, মানে ফার্স্ট ফার্স্ট তুমি গোটে মানে ইন্ডস্ট্রি যেতবে সেটঅপ কল সেটা নূয়া লঞ্চ কল কিন্তু তুম পরে পরে তুমକୁ দেখিনা আউ জনা আউ কিছু লোক আসবে ইনভেস্ট করবে সেই প্রোডাক্টটা যেহেতু মতে লাভ হଉଛି ମୁଁ କଣ କରିବି ମତେ ଲାଭ କହୁଛି ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ ଦେଖିଲେ ମୋର ଲାଭ ହଉଛି ତ ସେମାନେ ବି ନୂଆ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟେ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କରିକିନା ସେଇ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟଟା ଲଞ୍ଚ ସେଇ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟଟା ଫଲୋ କରିବେ ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା କଣ ହବ ସେଇ ମୋର ଯୋଉ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ଟ ଥିଲା ସେମାନେ ନୂଆ ଆଇଡିଓଲୋଜି ଲଗେଇକିନା କଲେ ଆଉ ତାଙ୍କର ଲୋ ପ୍ରାଇସରେ କଲେ ଯାହାଦ୍ୱାରା ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରଫିଟ୍ ହେଇଯିବ ମୋର ପ୍ରଫିଟଟା ଡିକ୍ଲାଇନ୍ କରିଯିବ ओके दैट इज फॉलो स्वार्म माने सेटा इनोवेटिव आइडिया द्वारा कण हुए हमरा प्रॉफिट टा जनरेट हुए आउ गोटे कथा कहली अनसर्टेनिटी एंड प्रॉफिट माने माने बिजनेस टा अनसर्टेनिटी इज देयर कंडीशन में बी क्रिटिकल समटाइम्स माने मझिरे जो अवस्था हितला हमर इकोनॉमी पूरा डाउनग्रेड हिला हला तो जो कोरोना सिचुएशन रे हमर जीडीपी रेट टा कमी जाईची तो एबे कोन होची से माने जस्ट माने जीडीपी रेट को माने बढ़ेइबा पई माने विभिन्न प्रकार माने मार्केट देखो केते बेला सर्टेनिटी नहीं माने निश्चितता कि नहीं केते बेला माने अप्स होची केते बेला डाउन होची लाइक बबल्स ओके अप्स एंड डाउन लाइक व्हाट ढेउ लाइक ढेउ माने ढेउ कोन हुए माने ऊपर को उठ जाए तळ को उठ जाए सेंती बिजनेस भी उठे माने अप्स एंड डाउन्स रे चले सेति पई प्रॉफिट टा मिले हला next come to the profits and market structure. Some economists insist that profit is understood generally result of market imperfection. Perfect in case of what happen in case of perfect competition, what happens, perfect competition is the ideal market condition where what happens, the consumer surplus is low. So, consumer surplus and producer surplus are not lost. That is all. Here deadweight loss is low, but in monopoly, what happens, they exploit all the money from the buyer. I told you that in monopoly there is a monopoly who first degree monopoly. I told you that he exploit the or he attract all the money or you keep it with you with market. Suppose तुम मार्केट को जाइज तुम पाखे जदि 100 टंका अच्छी बेला से 100 टंका टाणी नहीं परिवार क्षमता मोनोपोली मार्केट अच्छी किंतु परफेक्ट कंपटीशन कौन हुए तुम गोटे माने समान प्राइस एवरेज रेवेन्यू समान हुए मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू प्राइस टा समान हुए किंतु ये मोनोपोली रे कौन हुए हियर मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू इज ग्रेटर देन मार्जिनल कॉस्ट और ग्रेटर मोर देन प्राइस मार्जिनल रेवेन्यू इज मोर देन प्राइस ओके देन रोल ऑफ फैक्टर प्राइसेस इन प्राइसिंग डिसीजन ऑफ द फार्म तो कौन कौन रोल अच्छी फैक्टर प्राइसेस रो रोल कौन अच्छे दैट फैक्टर व्हिच आर डायरेक्टली शेप द प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस ऑफ द फार्म a farm needs to decide its cost of production which is dependent on the availability of factor of production ऊपर को माने जो यदि factor of production भल से यूज माने करि परिबा और माने अवेलेबल जदि भल रे अछि हम एरिया हमें सुरत निया जाऊ कि हमर तमिलनाडु निया जाऊ जो हम लोक माने बाहर को जो काम करबा को जाउछन तो सेठी कोन अछि लोक मानकर अभाव माने अछि तो सेठी भाई लोक माने माइग्रेट होउचंती हम ओडिसा रु सुरत और Tamil Nadu or Andhra Pradesh, they are going because they are getting more money and the industrialist of Tamil Nadu also they are getting profit because they are using the migrated labor in a low wage rate. Okay, that's why they are getting profit. Then come to okay next. Okay, labor market. I told you the labor market meaning of labor market. I told you that supply of labor. I told you perfect competitive market. I told you, but now I'll tell you imperfect competition. Okay, imperfect competition. Uh, imperfect competition. I have a PPT. Uh, okay, start. Okay, look at this table. Here is the imperfect competition. Here what happened? Price is declining, whereas there is a inverse relationship between price and quantity demand. Okay, here look at this. In perfect comparison, what happened? Average revenue is equal with marginal revenue is equal with price. But in imperfect comparison, the uh, average revenue and price are same, but marginal revenue is different. Okay, here look at this. When price was 10, average revenue was 10, but marginal revenue also 10 at the same time, just now same, but after that when price declined to 9, the average revenue also declined to 9, but the marginal revenue is 8. Here there is no similarity between average revenue and marginal revenue. Okay, that is imperfect competition. This table I have already told you, show you in previous okay, look at this. Here factor price of marginal productivity theory, or factor price market. What the subject has been mentioned. It is also called income distribution theory or distribution theory. Here what happened? The income is shared or distributed between labor, land, capitalist, and entrepreneur. The landowner will get rent, and the laborer will get wage rate, and the capitalist will get interest rate, and whereas the entrepreneur or organizer will get profit in return. Okay, then okay, I told you the backward bending supply curve of labor. The supply लोक मैंने supply labor supply कम करेंगे कहीं ना मैंने जिते बेले तार माने लीजर प्रिफर करेंगे लोक मैंने लीजर को प्रिफर करि पारंती नहले माने हमर जदी काम बेसी करि परिबे माने दीटा तांको ऑप्शन अछि माने वर्किंग आवर 8 घंटा से माने काम करूचंती तांको माने 300 मिलुची तो से माने जदी 10 घंटा करिवे मे बी ओवर ड्यूटी मिली परिबो और जदी से 2 घंटा से माने जदी काम करिवे नि लीजर प्रिफर करिवे और जदी शांति रे सोइबा को चाहिए तो से जगह तांकर माने डिमांड टा कमी जिवो ओके हाँ ए फिगरटा देखो फैक्टर प्राइसिंग एट मार्जिनल प्रोडक्टिविटी थ्योरी हियर इन द इम्परफेक्ट कंपटीशन MRP curve is downward sloping and VMP value of marginal product is downward sloping. Okay, VMP can be regarded as demand curve for labor. VMP is or हमें monopolistic competition में VMP ये जगह जो VMP कहल छी सेटा average revenue थिला और average revenue curve is otherwise called as demand curve. Here also in value of marginal product of labor curve is otherwise called as demand curve. Okay. OW is the wage rate. Here OW is the wage rate which is fixed. That is fixed on wage rate is fixed, but a competitive firm will employ how much? Competitive firm will employ O केते माने OM2 look at this OM2 a competitive firm will employ OM2 amount of OM2 number of worker while a monopolistic firm will stop at OLM. That means OM1 माने monopolistic competition रे कोन करिवो से माने OM1 लेबर यूज करिवो किंतु हमर परफेक्ट कॉम्पिटिटिव फार्म रे हमर केते यूज करि परिबो OM2 लेबर यूज करिवो ओके बट सप्लाई ऑफ लेबर इज माने सप्लाई ऑफ लेबर टा जगह रे पूरा फिक्स्ड कर दीची MRC जोटा कहि जेला सेटा कि सेटा को हमें कहि परिबा सप्लाई कर्व इज अदरवाइज कॉल्ड एज सप्लाई कर्व ओके or sorry wage rate. Then come to the labor market policies. Various policies are there in labor market. Okay, now the slide has been look at. Okay, look at this. Various minimum wage rate. Minimum माने लेबर मार्केट आर सेगमेंटेड एंड आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स लेबर मार्केट माने विभिन्न प्रकार अछि हमर मिनिमम वेज रेट फर्स्ट रूल इज मिनिमम वेज लॉज माने मिनिमम वेज लॉज प्रेस्क्राइब्स ए वेज रेट व्हिच द एम्प्लॉयर मस्ट पे टू देयर वर्कर मिनिमम वेज रेट गुटे गवर्नमेंट गुटे पॉलिसी माने कोन करिवो गुटे मिनिमम वेज लॉ बोली किना गुटे लेबर मानक बाई गुटे माने वेलफेयर पई से कोन करिवो मिनिमम वेज रेट रखि दो माने जद्य 300 टंका गुटे माने कुशली मानकू 286 टंका माने माने विभिन्न प्रकार अछि अण कुशली को केते दिया जिवो कुशली को केते दिया जिवो सेटा गुटे हमर मिनिमम वेज लॉ को आजे तो गवर्नमेंट कोन को प्रति वर्ष लेबर मानकर गुटे गुटे मिनिमम वेज रेट टा से फिक्स्ड करे जहा द्वारा कि से बाहर जो लोक माने अछंती सेही लोक माने ताकू ठकी परिबेनी आ सेही माने सेही रेट रे से माने जेंती तांकर पाउना पाइबे तो सेटा मिनिमम वेज लॉ को आजु हैला तो मिनिमम वेज लॉ प्रेस्क्राइब ए वेज रेट which the employer must pay to their worker that means the employer must pay the owner of the industry will must pay the wage rate which prescribed by the government okay here first one next role of the labor union also in industry various labor union are there labor union pressure the industrialists that to increase their prices various hartal are going on that's why they can get more wage rate कौन मझे मझे बोनस विभिन्न माने ताकर पैसा बढ़ाइबा हड़ताल हुए स्ट्राइक माने हुए तो सीटा कौन हुए लेबर यूनियन रोलटा टिके बेसी इंपोर्टेंस हैला लेबर यूनियन आर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन लेबर यूनियन कौन हुए गोटे लेगाली से माने गोटे लेबर यूनियन रजिस्टर करता से माने जेंति गोटे हमर श्रमिक संगठन हला कि हमर से माने कोन करबे तांकर माने श्रमिक और लेबर माने भलो पई से माने काम करिवे ओके तो से जगह रे माने तांकर जो माने हित दृष्टि जोटा हबो से जिनिसटा सपोर्ट करिवे देखो okay among the issues that union negotiate are the wage workers and rules of hiring and firing माने विभिन्न प्रकार रूल रेगुलेशन अछि हायरिंग माने मोर जो नुआ लेबर रखा हला तो केउ रूल ले रखा जिवो ताकू जदी इंटरव्यू करा हिची नै नहीं माने विभिन्न प्रकार ताकू टेस्ट करा हिची ना नहीं तापरे जदी ता सेफ्टी पई से काम विभिन्न प्रकार माने जो जिंस गुडा दरकार ताकू पिंदिबा पई से जिंसटा दिया होची ना नहीं और तापरे ड्यूटीज ऑफ डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वर्कर माने डिफरेंट टाइप रो वर्कर मु दी प्रकार तुमको माने वर्कर को था कहली गोटे फिजिकल लेबरर और गोटे मेंटल लेबरर और मु कहली blue collar laborer and white collar laborer. White collar laborer is called as mental laborer and physical laborer those who are blue collar laborer is called physical laborer. Okay, they have different duties of different types of worker are there. That means they work with hand and they work with mental mind. Okay, that is and working hours. Suppose some laborer are working more than the decided hour, maybe 8 hours is decided, and some worker are doing 2 hours more over duty to get more money. For that, the labor union will the labor union will protect the laborer so that he can get his wage rate. Okay, union election also going on in various labor union for this various post secretary president various things are there. Next come to the why wages differ. Wage rate कौन माने wage rate कहीं कहीं माने लोगों को माने different कहीं की हुए wage rate କାହାକୁ ମାନେ ବେଶୀ ୱେଜ୍ ରେଟ୍ ଦିଆଯାଏ, କାହାକୁ ମାନେ କମ୍ ୱେଜ୍ ରେଟ୍ ଦିଆଯାଏ। ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ let's discuss such factor affecting wage differential. Wage differential ମାନେ different wage ଯୋଉ ଦିଆଯାଉଛି ତାର ରିଜନ ଗୁଡ଼ା ଆମେ ଜାଣିବା। ଦେଖ next first point, compensating wage differential. Wage differential many a times workers themselves make decision to remain in a certain job through may be qualified for a higher package. For example, an experienced researcher in university may be offered a job profile require suppose कौन हुए हमारा वेज डिफरेंस कौन हुए परमानेंट वर्कर कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल वर्कर दुई प्रकार वर्कर अच्छा जो मैंने रेगुलर वर्कर से रेगुलर पे पाती और जो कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल से माने गोटे टाइम पीरियड पाई गोटे माने गोटे मिनिमम वेज रेट पाती तो ସେଇଟା ଦୁଇ ପ୍ରକାର ଲେବର ତ ତାଙ୍କର ସେଇ କାମ ଅନୁସାରେ ସେମାନେ ପାଉନା ପାଇବେ ହେଲା। ନେକ୍ସଟ ଡିଫରେନ୍ସେସ୍ ଇନ୍ ହ୍ୟୁମାନ୍ କ୍ୟାପିଟାଲ ଇନଭେଷ୍ଟମେଣ୍ଟ ସପୋଜ ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଷ୍ଟ ଆମେ ନିଆଯାଉ ଆମର ଆଉ ଜଣେ ଲେବର ସାଧାରଣ ଲେବର ନିଆଯାଉ ସେ ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଷ୍ଟ ବି ଗୋଟେ ଲେବର ମାନେ ସାଧାରଣ ଯୋଉ ମାନେ ଇଣ୍ଡଷ୍ଟ୍ରିରେ କାମ କରୁଛି ସେ ବି ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରକାର ଲେବର ତ ସାଇଣ୍ଟିଷ୍ଟ କଣ କରିବେ ତାର ସ୍କିଲ୍ ୟୁଟିଲାଇଜ କରିକି ବେସିକ ଟେକ୍ନୋଲୋଜି ମାନେ साइंटिफिक टेक्नोलोजी माने वेरियस टेक्नोलोजिकल ट्रेनिंग करूची जा द्वारा कि से बेसी पैसा पाउची आ लेबर जी हमरे किसी स्किल नहीं जस्ट खाली से हाथ रे काम करूची सेति में से कम पाउना पाउची हैला ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डिफरेंसेस इन ह्यूमन कैपिटल इन्वेस्टमेंट। Suppose you now you are registered with BA. Okay, BA course you are you will not get technological job like those who are doing MBA course or MCA course. They will get much more price than common degree holder. Okay, that is differences in human capital investment. Suppose you invest your skill in computer technology, then you will get more 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 price than the general low investment person. Okay, those who invest low and will get low return, and those who invest himself in various skill, then he will get more wage rate. Okay, differences in ability. सब एबिलिटी मीन्स माने गोटे दक्षता माने स्किल थाए तो सही एबिलिटी विभिन्न लोकंकर माने दी जण आमे नै परिबा जदियो एज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ डिफरेंसेस ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एज डिस्क्रिमिनेशन। सपोज ए पर्सन ऑफ 50 एज एंड ए पर्सन ऑफ 30 एज जो पर्सन जो काम करि जते काम करि परिबो 50 एज पर्सन सेते काम करि न पारे तो से जाय रे कोन हो ताकर वेज ता डिफरेंट हबो कि नहीं। ओके, are you getting all this now? Okay, that is called wage differential. And the wage differences is on the basis of also sex माने मेल अलगा फीमेल अलगा तो मेल काम करिबो ताकू अधिकार रेट दिया जाए फीमेल को हम कम वेज रेट दिया जाए तो एबे न गवर्नमेंट हैज ऑलरेडी equalize the wage rate on the basis of discrimination on the basis of sex cannot be tolerated. Now they are also getting same wage rate. Okay, these are the discrimination wage discrimination through which the wage rate are different. Okay, any doubt you can ask. Any doubt you can ask me. I will show you probable question. Okay, first come propose your doubt. Anything you want to ask you can ask or put in the chat box. Okay, any doubt? Derived demand, interdependent demand. Okay, any doubt? Any doubt you can ask. let's forget. Okay, look at this. The probable question I will show you. I am showing the probable question. Please, which probable question maybe? Probable question. Look at this. These are the question that may come. Explain all the factors of production. Explain all the factor of production in here a question may be arise. All the factor of production you have to write land, labor, capital, entrepreneur, everything you have to explain. Okay, and landowner gets rent, laborer gets wages, and capitalist gets interest, and entrepreneur will get uh, profit. That are the you have to explain thoroughly. Next question is next one, write the difference between derived demand and interdependent demand with examples. I told you that what is derived demand. First, you have to explain what is derived demand. Derived demand. I told you that cloth. Some people, producer. Suppose a producer want to produce cotton, cloth. କ୍ଲଥ୍ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ୍ ଯେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ କରୁଛି ତ ସେ କ୍ଲଥ୍ ପ୍ରଡକ୍ସନ୍ କରୁଛି ସେଥିପାଇଁ ର ମେଟେରିଆଲ୍ସ ଇଜ୍ ରିକ୍ୱାର୍ଡ କଟନ୍ ଇଜ୍ ର ମେଟେରିଆଲ୍ ଓକେ ତ କଟନ୍ର ଯେତେବେଳେ କ୍ଲଥ୍ର ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ଟା ଡିଟରମାଇନ୍ ହେଉଛି ସେଇଟା କାହା ଉପରେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛି ଆମର କଟନ୍ର ପ୍ରାଇସ୍ ଉପରେ ଡିପେଣ୍ଡ କରୁଛି ହେଲା ଯେତେବେଳେ କ୍ଲଥ୍ର ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ବଢ଼ି ଯାଉଛି ତ ସେ ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସର କ'ଣ କରିବ ବେଶୀ କଟନ୍ ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ କରିବ ସେଇଟା କୁହାଯାଏ ଡେରାଇଭ୍ ଡିମାଣ୍ଡ ଓକେ and interdependent say example la dei paribo hala then come to the interdependent demand example may be interdependent may be ame gote mu example dei ni computer suppose a producer is going to produce computer तो कंप्यूटर ପାଇଁ କ'ଣ ଦରକାର ଲାଗିବ ଭେରିୟସ୍ ମେସିନେରୀ ମାନେ ହାର୍ଡୱେयर ଦରକାର ହାର୍ଡୱେयर ଗୁଡ଼ା ମାନେ ମନିଟର ହେଲା ଆମର कीबोर्ड है विभिन्न जिनस गुड़ा से दरकार इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइस है जहाँ इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइस लगे है आमर जो जी लगे माने जी यहाँ गुड़ा मैनेज कर आईटी प्रोफेशनल से गोटे सफ्टवेयर डिजाइन कर लेबर कह लेबर आ जो जगह से कंप्यूटर प्रोडक्शन कर गोटे लैंड एरिया गोटे से लैंड रेंट देवा पड़ो है तो यहाँ एग्जांपल नहीं कि एक्सप्लेन कर नेक्स्ट critically explain marginal productivity theory of income distribution both in the perfect competition and imperfect competition. This question is the long question. It is a very long question. You have to explain everything in a briefly. You have to explain here what is landmark. You have to explain land market equilibrium condition, labor market equilibrium condition, and capitalist theory. Just you can explain only one theory in capital theory of interest and profit theory or Joseph innovation theory or uncertainty is there that you can explain. Then a separate question may arise, explain what is land market equilibrium. Land market equilibrium, you know that supply of land is fixed or it is vertical to the y-axis. Vertical means it is y-axis sangare saman hochi hela, that is vertical to the y-axis. Or here what happen, increasing demand leads to increasing interest rate, but the supply of land is fixed. That is land market equilibrium. You have to explain what is here in the land market equilibrium. What happen, you have to write first what is land and landowner gets rent. You have to write one, then you have to explain supply of land. Then you have to explain here impose your demand curve, and you have to explain market equilibrium. Market equilibrium will be there when demand for labor is equal with supply of labor. Okay, then fifth question maybe discuss labor market equilibrium. Labor market equilibrium. Labor market. First, where you have to what is labor? Labor means exertion of body and mind undergone pain and pleasure derives directly. Those who work in the various industry or various agricultural sector, various sector, uh, they are directly getting pain or ତାକୁ କିଛି ମାନେ ଯେତେବେଳେ କାମ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ସେମାନେ କିଛି କଷ୍ଟ ଅନୁଭବ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ଆଉ for this that they are getting pain and pleasure. Some people gets pleasure. କଣ ହୁଏ କିଛି ଲୋକଙ୍କର ହବି କାମ କରିବା ତ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଖୁସି ବି ଲାଗେ ତ pain and pleasure ମାନେ କାହାକୁ କଷ୍ଟ ହେଇପାରେ କାହାକୁ ଖୁସି ବି ଲାଗିପାରେ. Pain and pleasure derive directly and in return they get wage rate or salary and they are entitled to get salary. That's why they will work. Okay, तो এই জায়গায় কোন হয় লেবার সাপ্লাই অফ লেবার কেতেবেলে ওয়েজ রেট সাংরে কোন আছে ডাইরেক্টলি রিলেটেড. when wage rate increases supply of labor increases, but when wage rate declines supply of labor declines. But in case of demand for labor, what happen? The demand for labor and wage rate are inversely related. Inversely means suppose one factor increases, another factor declines. That is the inverse relationship. Okay, here labor equilibrium is attained when demand for labor is equal with supply of labor. Okay, are you getting this now? Okay, next, briefly explain theories of interest. Theories of interest, you have to explain what is interest, and interest is the reward of uh, capitalist, and you have to write various theories. I think I told you three theories. First, loanable fund theory and liquidity preference theory, and third one is your time preference theory. Okay, time preference theory, you have to just explain consumption, future consumption is given importance or present consumption is given importance. That is time preference theory. That based on time. Suppose at the now you will prefer future consumption more, given more importance. Okay, then you have to save more now and save and consume in future. In a luxury, you can enjoy your luxurious life by saving now more. Here what happened? See, saving increases means the capital is generated more, and that capital is invest are provided as a loan to the various industrialists, and the output can be increased. Output increase means here what happened? Employment increases, output increases, employment increases, and in this way what happened? The demand for the people also increases because demand for labor also increases. Okay, they are getting employment because the demand for labor increases, and here what happened? Employment increases. Okay, and here also increase in output leads to decline in price rate. When you increase your output, then you have here what happen? Production जेहेतु बढ़ीगला कौन हो हमर प्राइस टा कमी जीवो. ओके, तो सी जगह हमर जेटा फ्यूचर कंजम्पशन करू. ओके, जदि प्रेजेंट कंजम्पशन की बेसी जदि if the consumer will give importance to the present consumption, then what happen? The present uh, if it gives more importance to the present consumption, then what happen? It will use uh, it will consume more now and forgo future consumption. What happen? Present consumption is given importance, then mean supply saving declines mean capital mobilization of capital declines or bank deposit declines. Then what happen? The industrialist will get low loan. That means here what happen? The rate of interest is rises when present consumption is given importance. What happen? Rate of interest increases. Then the industrialist will not be interested to invest more because because in that condition high interest rate it has to pay, because for that now they will decline its production. Here what happen? Output declines, employment also declines, here prices increases. Okay, that are the problem. arises due to given importance to the present consumption. Okay. Next, how a seller will get profit? Seller will get profit, or here you can here another question maybe arises. Explain what is innovative theory of profit, or Schumpeter theory of explain the Schumpeter theory of innovation. Here what happened, innovative, I told you that new things arises, new market arises, or new way of production is introduced. Then here that is called innovation. Due to innovation, the firm will get supernormal profit. Okay. You have to explain all these things. What is the shape of long run labor supply curve? Levers here is the, it is not the long term question, it is very short term. You have to explain in the labor supply curve what happened in the long run. When you are in the long run, the labor supply curve is backward bending. Okay. First you, it depends upon the leisure and working hour. Suppose working hour increases, leisure declines. Okay. In the x-axis you have to take working hours. Okay. In y-axis you have to uh, take leisure. Okay. When hours of working increases, what happens, leisure declines. Okay. When working hours increases mean लोक मैंने जिते बेसी काम करेंगे तो से रेस्ट कम ने, तो जहाद्वारा से प्रॉफिट माने बेसी वेज रेट मिल ओवर ड्यूटी जब कले, जदि से वर्किंग नंबर ऑफ वर्किंग आवर्स जदि कमे देबे, वर्किंग आवर्स लो इज लो, देन व्हाट हैपन, दे विल प्रिफर लीजर. जदि से काम करने को चाहूना चाहते कि माने लीजर प्रिफर कर माने जाइना शोइबा कि माने घरे रेस्ट नेबा चाहते, तो सही जिनस भी पारे है. तो on that basis supply curve is backward bending. Okay. And another question here I forgot to mention, the labor discrimination. Explain what is, why wage rate differ. Next question may be why wage rate differs. I told you that there are three point I told you, that compensating wage differential. Compensating wage differential means many times what happen, workers themselves make a decision to remain in a certain job. Mane, some jobs are permanent, some jobs are contractual. Then permanent job, here security is there, whereas in contractual job there is no any certainty, because you may lose your job in a certain period, but in regular job you will get profit. Now you have the perfect example. Now those who are working in the government sector, they are, due to corona, they are not doing duty, but they are getting their salary easily. But in private sector what happened, they are not paying their salary because they were not doing their job. That means if they are working, they are getting money, but in it is in the private sector. But in the government sector what happened, they are not doing job, still they are getting money. That is maybe differences, or safety is there in the government job, so that everybody prefer now that government job is secure, safe. Okay. And private job is not secure now, because at the present situation, everyone have perfect knowledge that now the security is there in the government job. Okay. Government sector, in government sector there is security. Okay. Because you are doing also some of the I'm not telling on every private sector. Some private sector are doing better, they are working, some worker are doing at home, or working from home, they are working in the home and working at home, and they are getting salary, they are getting full salary. Okay. uh, okay. Then next point I told you, the process is human capital investment. Human capital investment, when you invest more money in your educational qualification, to enhance your educational qualification, you invest more money, and or you will technically yourself train in a very much, or you will train yourself like BTech, MCA, MBA, like technological degree, then you will get more salary. And when you will uh, invest your money in a in common course, like a common degree, BA, BA become BSc like this, and but in BSc also you can get better job. But in relation to BA and BSc, you will get low salary in BA and BSc. You will get more salary because because investment is much more in BSc and less in BA. Okay, that is differences in wages. Okay, next differences in ability. Some have there are two types of labor. On the basis of age, on the basis of sex. Suppose age differs. Someone is under 18 and someone is uh, 30. Then under 18 will work. It has lower ability to work than age 30 because it has already experienced the experience in working. That then he will get, or the large mm, age of 30 will get more salary than, sorry, more wage than the age of 18. Okay, these are the differences, wage differences, where what happened, the things like differences in wage rate happens. Okay, these are the question, probable question. Okay, any doubt you can ask me. Already I have already revised once again. Okay, any question? Sumit sir.
सर
हेलो. हाँ
हाँ कौन जदि
हाँ
टिके
सर कौन
कंक्लूड कर
କିଛି
दियंतु जदि पिला पचार नांती
then and in uh, you have any doubt you can ask me. Okay, then I will conclude the class. You can put your question in chat box. Okay, then I told you probable question. Next class we will discuss land market. Land market, there are land market, we have various theories are there. uh, I will discuss next class. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. One second.